Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. This morning I cooked some chicken stew with pork and beans. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. I cooked some chicken stew with potato, onions, chicken, garlic, red pepper, and onions. And I put some salt and pepper with nor cube and a little bit soy sauce. Once again, welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Clark. Chicken stew guys with pork and beans. There they go. Paborito ng pamilya guys. Oh. Chicken stew with pork and beans, potato and carrots, chicken, red peel, onions and garlic. It's good for the rice with steamed rice in it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. There you go. Let's eat guys. Bye.